we need to talk about how I've automated my ecom business to do over 50K a month with one simple AI hack. I used to waste hours a day before realizing this simple AI hack that's boosted my reviews, boosted my conversions, and freed me up to scale past 50K a month. Now, here's the part of the intro where I need to tell you why you should listen to me. Well, I've built 2 ecom stores, I've done over 1.3 million in sales, spent over £90,000 on Google ads in that time, and I've coached hundreds of ecom owners to build and scale their stores. So, convinced now? Well, let's dive into this simple system that you can implement into your business with AI and immediately feel the benefits. Now, this is the problem that I had that sparked this AI hack, this discovery of how to do it better. And this is a problem that all e-commerce business owners will have because we've got ourselves to the stage of uploading products to a website, we're running ads, and we've got people looking at the products that we're selling on our website. Now, these people who want to buy the products that we're selling will have questions about these products to find out if it's right. So I ask you questions about the size, is it compatible with this? Will it fit here? Or how do I use it? And therefore, to answer all these questions that you're getting from your customers, there's two things that you need to do. You're probably answering them all yourself initially because you need to be the one that has an answer to it. Even if you've hired people, if they don't know the answer, they'll come to you. So you're answering a lot of questions yourself. And the second thing that you're probably doing is that you're relying on tribal knowledge. And tribal knowledge is knowledge that only you know in your head, rather than it being written down anywhere for other people to do, to relay to your customers or for your customers to read for themselves. So you're answering everything yourself and you're relying on knowledge that's in your head. Now, there's a way to overcome this, and this is the AI hack. So here is the SOP checklist that I'm going to follow, and I can send to you if you want it. We're just going to go through each of the steps to complete this process. The first step is to export product data from Shopify. So go to your Shopify, go to products and click export in the middle top right. Make sure you export all products and export as the default CSV. Click export and that will get emailed to you in your email address. So go to your inbox now and make sure that you've downloaded that to your PC. So I've just been into my inbox. You can see I've downloaded the export from the email that I received, and I've now gone to ChatGPT. So step 2 is to pull, drag and drop the exported sheet, the CSV file, and add that to the new chat in ChatGPT. So that is steps 1 and 2. I've exported it and I've imported it. Name the chat so you can keep coming back to this every time. Now prompt the following message. Tell ChatGPT that this is our current Shopify product catalog. Please absorb the details so I can ask you product related questions based on this file, and then send that. Then allow some time for it to absorb this product information. We can move on to the next step and read about what we're going to be doing next while it's analyzing that data. So now step 4, we can go ahead and start asking questions. So as soon as you receive a question from your customers, we're going to go ahead and send that directly into the chat in ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT a customer has asked. Use that part as well, because then you can make it clear the customer has asked this question, and then make sure that it's a question that's related to your products, obviously, to get the most out of this, because it'll use that. So for example, I know in this product catalog there's some women's slides, and I'd ask, does it come with a box? Send that question straight to ChatGPT, and within a few seconds it will come back and tell you the details. So we can see that within a few seconds it's come back with an answer, and already it's pulled detail from the product catalog and found out information. So what we should do now is ask it to write a custom reply that explains this clearly and professionally. So go ahead and send, please write a custom reply, and then it will have a message that we can go ahead, copy and paste back to the customer, and it's so much quicker than your VA, and it'll be accurate as well. Now, the fact that I had to write another message means that we can improve this SOP. Therefore, I'm going to type that in to the updated prompt that we'll send every time. So please write a custom reply is now part of the prompt that we're going to send every single time, so it's straight away. We need to review and edit the response, make sure that you're happy that it's accurate and the tone is right and the grammar and the spelling is all correct, and then send that to the customer. And I've got a few best practice tips here as well to make sure that this process is used properly by your VAs. So now you can hand off all of the customer service questions. They'll get answered more quickly, more accurately with AI, and your VAs will handle the whole situation. So you can sit back, know that your product's questions are going to be answered accurately and quickly. It means that you don't have to spend as much time hiring your VAs. It means you don't have to spend as much time coaching them and onboarding them. It also means your customers get quicker responses, more accurate responses, which will lead to more sales. So you can scale your business while spending less time actually doing the busy work, which is what I'm all about. So as I mentioned, I'm happy to send you across this SOP. If you'd like to use it on your own business, just send me a message on Instagram and I'll get that across to you. And if you'd like to speak about how we can do this, then obviously we'll have a chat on Instagram, and we can always jump on a call if you'd like to know more details about how to do this for your own e-commerce business. So with that said, look forward to speaking to you soon, and I'll catch you in the next video.